In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a debit card to your Robinhood account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap so you can move money quickly and securely. Before we start, make sure you have your debit card handy, your app is updated, and you're on a secure internet connection. First, log into Robinhood. You can do this from the mobile app or the website, whichever you prefer. If you're using the app, open it and sign in as you normally would. On the web, head to the official site and enter your login details there. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that as well for added security. Once you're in, open the account menu. This is the profile icon, typically found in the app's navigation or at the top of the website. Think of this as your personal hub for settings, balances, and funding options. Next, select Transfers. This is where Robinhood organizes everything related to moving money in and out of your account. You'll see options for depositing, withdrawing, and managing the accounts you've connected. Now, scroll to the section called Linked Accounts and choose Add New Account. This area shows any bank accounts or cards you've already connected. We're going to add your debit card here so it's ready for instant transfers. When prompted, choose debit card. This is different from linking a bank account via routing and account numbers. Selecting debit card sets you up for instant deposits, subject to your account's limits and eligibility. You may see a security notification. If that pops up, approve it. This could be a device prompt or an extra verification step. It's there to protect your account and confirm it's really you making the change. Now enter your debit card details and tap Continue. Carefully type in the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing zip code. Double check for typos and make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file. Using an active debit card that's in your name will help avoid verification issues. Once you submit, your debit card will be linked successfully. You should see a confirmation and your card listed under linked accounts. From here, you can use the card for transfers, often instantly, depending on your account status and limits. If you don't see the card right away, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening the app. That's it. You've linked your debit card to Robinhood. If you ever need to update or remove it, return to the same linked account section. Stay secure, keep your app updated, and you'll be set for fast, reliable funding.